There's been a lot of movement in the Victoria Police space in the last few months. In particular, the announcement of the new Police Training Academy in Mildura in the north part of Victoria is a really significant move. For many, many years, the only place that new recruits could undertake their training was at the Victoria Police Academy in Glen Waverley, my old workplace, and it's a fantastic facility. They've got everything you could possibly need there to enjoy your training for the time that you spend there before heading out to the police station to undertake a new career in policing. But if you are living in the northern part of the state, now the opportunity is there to get into a policing career without having to travel 3 or 4 hours. Now, at the academy in Glen Waverley, those country recruits can come and go as they please, but it's a pretty big ask on a Friday night to travel 3 or 4 hours home to the northern part of the state and then 3 or 4 hours back again on a Sunday night to get ready for training again on the Monday morning. So a new facility in the northern part of the state I think is a great addition, and it gives access to more people to get into a police career. Now there's also an indication that in the Gippsland area there'll be additional training facilities as well. To have additional facilities around the state for people to do their training, I think is a really good initiative. Now another great initiative is the reintroduction of the reservist role or position. Now for frontline police officers, one of the things that gets them bogged down, and I remember it very well, is the amount of paperwork involved in various incidents that you've had to deal with. So to be able to get back on the road quickly really is making better use of those police officers' time. And the reservists are there to help take some of that load from the frontline officers. Now, it's really important, I think, to understand that they're not just there to do heaps of paperwork for all of the other police officers, but many of them have an amazing amount of experience in a whole range of different areas within the organisation. And some have been in the police force for 20 and 30, even 40 years before retiring. Now, when they come back in a reservist role, the experience and the knowledge that they bring is something that new police officers will be tapping into for that mentoring, for that guidance, and they will be an amazing resource and asset for every police station that they are positioned in. Alright, so just a quick update on what's happening around the Victoria Police space at the moment. If you're thinking about applying to join and you'd need some help, we're here to guide you through the process. For the last 20 years now, we've helped more than 8,000 people to become police officers and enjoy a fantastic career. So reach out if you need some help. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.